Hello guys! Today let's make very easy and delicious crepes Suzette. Let's get started. First, we are making the crepe batter. You can make it quickly in just about 5 minutes. Start by melting butter. Meanwhile, whisk flour, sugar, and salt in the bowl. Add a whole egg and whisk until smooth. Add the melted butter and whisk well. Ensure that the butter is still warm so that it blends easily with other ingredients. Gradually add whole milk and mix well each time. It may look like a lot of milk, but do not worry, do not reduce the amount as it helps to create paper-thin crepes. This is totally optional, but today I am adding just a little bit of orange liqueur to add the flavor. At the end, mix it with rubber spatula to ensure everything is evenly blended. And that's it. The batter is ready. There's no need to rest it. Let's cook it right away. Heat a 10-inch non-stick frying pan at medium to medium-low heat. Apply melted butter all over the surface. It helps to create a beautiful lacy caramelization on the surface. Shake the pan immediately as you pour the batter to spread it evenly. It'll cook up quickly, so doing it fast is the key. Once the color gets nice dark golden brown on the edges, flip the crepes. I like using 2 long sticks to flip it. Cook it for 5 to 10 seconds and drop it on a cooling rack. And repeat the process. Avoid pouring too much batter, as this will result in a thick crepe that doesn't feel so pleasant. Thinner is better for crepes to enjoy its delicate texture. If using 2 long sticks to flip is difficult, try using 1 long stick and a spatula, like this. This is the way I recently started trying, and I like it. I feel it's a little bit easier. Flatten it while it's still warm. Now fold each crepe into 4. One batch of the recipe makes 5 10-inch crepes. We only need 4 for one batch of the orange sauce. You can use the same frying pan you used for cooking the crepes. Today I am using a regular navel orange. Zest the skin. It has a nice refreshing flavor. Add orange juice. You can squeeze a fresh orange or use 100% pure orange juice without additional sugar. That lemon juice adds the tanginess and makes the sauce even more refreshing. Add sugar. The sugar is often caramelized for making traditional crepes Suzette, but in this recipe, I am not caramelizing it as my personal preference. You can enjoy a brighter, tangier orange flavor in this way. And add butter. Butter is essential for crepes Suzette or any French desserts. Now slice an orange. You should get about 8 to 12 slices from 1 orange. Let's start heating the sauce. Heat it on medium heat until boiling hard. Before heating the sauce, also prepare your plates, any toppings if you're adding any, so that you can enjoy the warm crepes as soon as they are ready. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low because the crepes can get torn when the liquid is boiling too hard. And soak the crepes in and let them take a nice orange bath. Place the sliced oranges on top and pour Grand Marnier. It adds a nice deep flavor and also a slight bitterness. You can add just the amount as you like. Flambe with the blowtorch as soon as it is added. It's not a big problem if you don't flambe. Just continue cooking. Continue cooking for about a minute. Using a small spoon, pour the sauce over the crepes and sliced oranges. Be careful not to cook it for too long to prevent the liquid from evaporating too much. I love Crepes Suzette with plenty of orange sauce. Now it's ready. Immediately serve them on a plate. Pour the warm, delicious orange sauce over the crepes and enjoy. The very first time I ate Crepes Suzette, I was blown away by how delicious they were. The bright, refreshing orange flavor spreads in your mouth with layers of delicate crepes. I would love you to try it if you haven't had Crepes Suzette before, or if you're feeling like trying a new recipe. You can also enjoy it with the scoop of vanilla ice cream. They are a perfect match. You can make the crepe batter ahead, chill in the fridge, and cook it whenever you need it. You can also cook the crepes ahead, fold each of them and wrap them, freeze them. All you have to do is just defrost them before making the sauce. And I'm also gonna link my original crepe recipe down below. I'm sharing about the tips of making basic crepes a little bit more in details in that tutorial. For the sauce, specifically for this recipe, I prefer not caramelizing the sugar to enjoy the bright, super orangey flavor. I feel the orange flavor gets milder when I caramelize sugar. But this is really a matter of preference, I think. This is the basic recipe, so you can play around with it and try different things like using brown butter instead, adding a little bit of cinnamon and so on. If you like this video, please let me know. And if you tried this recipe, I would love to know how it turned out and how you enjoyed it with your special someones. Let me know in the comment section below or in my blog post. But that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy pastry living, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.